Hello and welcome to a JennyCardDesigns special presentation. This is the Christmas Cards and Crafts series of 2020. These videos will share paper crafting, tutorials, and inspiration with all of you. I hope that you enjoy. Today is an extra special video. We have a guest designer here on JennyCardDesigns YouTube channel. My niece Abby will be joining us to create some beautiful Christmas tags. Please give her a warm welcome. Abby, take it away.
Hello, my name is Abby and thanks for joining us today. In today's video, we are going to be using some Gina K Designs products to make awesome, super cute Christmas tags. So grab a cup of candy cane hot chocolate and enjoy the show. First up, we have this amazing kit that we'll be using to make some Christmas gnomes. This kit comes with everything you see here.
This is a Gina K Designs and ThermoWeb collaboration, the Gnome for the Holidays Stamp and Stencil Craft Kit. So you get some foil, a stencil, coordinating stamps, and dies to create amazing cute little Christmas gnomes. And that's what Abby's going to be using today.
We are also going to use the large tag die and these snowflake dies from the new Gina K Designs Sparkles and Shine card kit.
Okay, so let's get started making some of these gnomes. We've got a bunch of pieces die cut out, and we have some pattern paper for their clothes and white cardstock for the beard and the shoes and the nose. So Abby is using some alcohol markers to color in the nose to make it look sort of rosy. And then she's using a black alcohol marker to color in the little shoes for the gnomes. Then we have some green cardstock that we use to cut out the trees. And we're going to embellish the trees with some sparkly gems. And we just use liquid glue and a jewel picker for that. And adhered some little gold stars on the top of the trees. So those look super cute and sparkly. And once all of that is complete, we're going to move on to building the little gnomes. So we're just using liquid glue here, and Abby will start picking her pieces and building her little gnomes. We also wanted some of the gnomes to be a little bit taller. So we used the tree die to make some taller gnomes. Using that Christmas tree die really helps stretch this die set to create tons of different style gnomes. So we're going to play a little bit of Christmas music while Abby puts together her gnomes, and we'll catch you back on the other side.
And so it's Christmas. Hear the festive music in the air. See the smiling faces everywhere. They stop and stare. Another Christmas. Time to celebrate with those you love.
Okay, next up, Abby's going to stamp her sentiment. We've used the large tag die that we showed earlier in this video from the Gina K Designs Sparkle and Shine card kit. And Abby is just putting this in a mini MISTI and loading it up into the corner so that she can double stamp if she needs to. And she's going to pick a greeting out of that gnome stamp set that says Merry Christmas. So she's just making sure that everything is nice and straight. She'll pick it up with the door of the MISTI. And then, since this is a new stamp, we're just going to condition the stamp and rub away the manufacturing residue so that we get a nice crisp result when we stamp. And we're using Gina K Designs Onyx Black ink for this. So she'll ink it up really good, close the door of the MISTI, and press. And we have a beautiful impression. Very nice tag that says Merry Christmas. She did a wonderful job. And so she's going to run through this 8 times, 8 or 9. I think she has 9 tags. And she's using a little tool that my mother and I created. This is a little press, sort of like Gina K Designs Chucky tool. We used an old glass door handle and a furniture protector pad and glued it all together and created this cool little press that helps to apply firm, even pressure across the door of your MISTI for your stamped images. So She's going to do this 9 times, create her tags, and now she's going to start putting everything together. She's just going to take her elements and place them on her tags however she wants them, and that's it. Here's all of Abby's completed tags. Yep, she did make 9. They're so cute and pretty, and she also put this snowflake ribbon through the top of her tags so that she could tie them on to her Christmas gifts. So that is it. Abby's tags are all complete.
Thanks for joining us today. I had so much fun making these tags. Don't forget to subscribe to my Aunt Jen's channel for more crafty videos like this one.
Coming up on screen are a few videos I think you may enjoy. Have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one.
Okay, bye!